It looks like Games Workshop have actually listened to the Horus Heresy community because Legacies PDF is on its way. What's going on, guys? What's going on, you bunch of heretics? Welcome to the Heresy Journals. Obviously, if you've been on the Warhammer website, you've been hitting that refresh button for the usual articles, you will have seen this huge update and announcement from Games Workshop that Horus Heresy 3.0, probably amidst a lot of the backlash, have announced they are going to bring in a Legacies PDF. Now, I think some of the comments in one of the previous episodes that I did, I think a few of you had noticed that they were going to do this anyway. However, we're straight onto the Warhammer community page. So, look, the new edition of Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, lands in stores in just a few days' time. We know loads of you are excited to get stuck into the game. We've also noticed that some of you are concerned that certain units in your existing armies might not be usable in the new edition, especially if they don't feature. So, in the article that they produce, it's going to reassure those that with the Tartarus Terminators, with Power Fist, Destroyers with jump packs, White Scars Champions on bikes, these things are not going to be reassigned to the shelf. This is and must be great news for Horus Heresy 3.0 players. Even better for tournament as well. So we're going to scroll down. Can I use them in the tournament? The answers are right here. As always, that's up to the organizer, so that's great news. Obviously, if they're bringing out a PDF with all of that legacy stuff, that's going to be great news. And no doubt with what the feedback has been with the community, many tournament organizers, I should imagine, are going to support Legacies. It makes sense. The Horus Heresy community is tight-knit. They love the game, they love the hobby, and people have spent thousands on their armies. Pure, passionate hobbyists. So, as it says here, this is designed as a narrative war game above all else. If you're looking to create an optimized, cutthroat, all-conquering, unbeatable army, all power to you. An epic win at all costs throwdown can be a lot of fun. But this is not the main focus towards this game. So, is everything covered in the Legacies PDF? Not quite. I think there's a few bits and pieces. However, they've given us a list of everything that's going to be playable in the new PDF. So in the Astartes, you've got, oh God, the list is huge. So Legionnaires Astartes, and they've also got all of the legions added onto it as well. So if you are excited for this, but I'm just going to very quickly talk about Legion Astartes. So Veteran Breach Squad, Veteran Heavy Support Squad, Tartarus Terminator Siege Squad, Indomitus Terminator Squad, Mortalis Destroyer Squad, lots more Destroyers, which I know was something that was a concern for many Horus Heresy players. It then goes into specific legions, and again we've got Dark Angels, Cataphractii Terminator, Deathwing Companions, Order of the Broken Claws, Automata, Enigma Martyrs Cabal, Empress Children. That again, each one, I think, of the many factions that were not happy, the Legion players that weren't happy about some of the stuff that have been lost, I think looks like it's going to be in this Legends PDF, this Legendaries PDF, because honestly, there's so much on here for it. And even Games Workshop have recognised this in their own words. It's very satisfying to field armies you have collected across decades together in a game, but we all know you want new miniatures as well. This edition will continue to expand the miniatures range in plastic, including some units in this legacy list, which will return with new designs and possibly new weapons options and war gear. So more new miniatures, bringing out a lot of the old resin stuff into plastic. It looks like, by all accounts, the Horus Heresy team have listened. Games Workshop have listened to the community. They're bringing back the Legacies PDF, which I think they noticed on here. Digital downloads 2025. Yeah, so July. Legacies of the Dark Age of Darkness PDF. Talons of the Emperor list. That's great news. I'm hoping that puts a lot of people at ease. All that money that they've spent on miniatures, on armies, on putting stuff together, people are now going to be able to use. So this is a huge win, I think, for the Horus Heresy community. I'd love to know what you think. Again, if you haven't seen it, go check out the article. If you're a Horus Heresy player, I think this is really good news. They've listened, they want people to play the game, get immersed in it, and by all accounts, I think they are going to invest a fair bit more into Horus Heresy, and of course give players that thematic game that they know and love. I'm very excited for it. I'm really looking forward to getting my Ultramarines army put together for this upcoming 3.0. I'm very excited for the game, and I think it's going to be great news for a lot of the players that have been playing this game before. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.